So this is where we going. Obviously her idea. They got shit up in here. Show them what you want. The booty.
When I make it through the day, I close my eyes and pray again. For my real ones, my real ones, for my real ones, real ones, real ones, for my real ones.
What's up, YouTube? So
Take 2 back on the subway.
back on the subway.
This time even better.
Let's see how long we got. Waiting on the R. Should be here in 2 minutes, so we got here perfect time. And then it's gonna be 9 stops, and we should get there 17 minutes. And then we got a 5-minute walk. Alright, tap in with y'all when we get to our next location.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so we just got off the subway. Now we walking to the next location. It's right over there. How was your ride on the subway, baby?
I was chilling. It was longer this time. We had a longer ride.
It was long, but it was smooth up. Somebody should ride a couple of
It
stops.
wasn't too many people on there. Like,
Exactly.
you had to stand up, you had to sleep.
Exactly. Definitely had a seat. But yeah, we got 5 minutes to get over here, so turn this camera back on when we get over. Alright, if you hadn't guessed it yet, that's it right there. That's what we about to do. Woo! There got a nice view of the Brooklyn Bridge too. But yeah, it's about to get real.
Blow into the tubes. Also, seating arrangements go according to the weights that were taken over here. That being said, there's 5 seats in the back, 1 seat up front. Seating will be according to the weights. Good?
When do we take pictures?
When do we take pictures?
In front of the aircraft, and you guys take your...
Use caution and take note of all moving parts of the vehicle.
That's probably your reason
Let's
for
be.
the Instagram
You guys are walking, you guys can take a photo if you want to. Just don't stop walking, that's all.
Oh, okay, yeah. Alright. He said don't stop. Hey! Exactly. It's crazy. Straight motherfuckers everywhere. About to go down. Crazy. Next to us.
not them 4-5. I got 4-5, tucked off in 3 bitches' house.
How I made the beat, I made a way.
All that gangsta shit you talk, you need to stop. You talk about spinning blocks, show me your deposit. You think you cool since you jamming out them 4-5 ounces. I got 4-5 pounds tucked off in 3 bitches' house. It's like 8-9,000 tucked off in 3 different pockets. Get up off your ass and get it instead of pocket watching. I can drop the number, the pen on top below you cop 'em all. And I ain't talking about designer when I'm bag shopping. Bag shopping. Pull 10 bands out my bag, she get the ass dropping. We was fucked up doing anything, taking chances for $1. Now it's Gucci collars, now it's gold bottles. Instagram models, we lead the club, they follow. AMG front door, we ain't riding no Hondas. The main goal since day one was grinding, stack them commas. This rap shit be easy, I just talk my life and rhyme it. Call on me today or tomorrow, I promise you I got it. Old money stashed away, that's all profit. He blew his racks, I heard he bought some chain and watches. Why you bragging on that whip when we already copped it? Why you bragging on that bitch and we already bopped it? Name ring around the city, I'm a trending topic. 7-hour flight, I'm on my way to the tropics. You steady calling around for numbers, you ain't even shopping. You steady flashing that little dumper, probably never cocked it. Why you act like that, baby girl, I'm young and cocky. Keep throwing that ass like that, anything you need, I got you. 500 a zap, got more kick than Shawn Michaels. All that gangsta shit you talk, you need to stop. You talk about spinning blocks, show me your deposit. You think you cool since you jamming out them 4-5 ounces. I got 4-5 pounds tucked off in 3 bitches' houses. It's like 8-9,000 tucked off in 3 different pockets. Get up off your ass and get it instead of pocket watching. I can drop the number, the pen on top below you cop. And I ain't talking about designer when I'm bag shopping.
Definitely do it again. Review, 10 out of 10, nice little tour. They spun around. I don't know. They did a nice little view and they spun it around so both sides can see it. I definitely 10 out of 10.
I thought I was gonna be scared because I'm like, I know a lot about planes, helicopters. Helicopters are not safe, y'all. Like,
Not really.
y'all ain't heard from me, but a plane is more safe than a helicopter.
Nah, but the pilot did a good job. It was fun. I think he gave a great view for both sides. Spun the helicopter around, both sides got a chance to see the city. Alright. What's up, YouTube? We are back. We just got off the helicopter, grabbed a nice little slice of pizza from Joe's Pizza. Now we're at the World Trade Center. And my baby looking beautiful. Let's see what's going on. I don't know what this is. If it's a hotel, look like it say Westfield. I don't know what this is, but this mug is hard. You wanna go find out what it is? You wanna go find out what it is?
Yeah, why not?
Huh? And the walk right on time. Looky. I want to see what this is. I'm talking about it sound like a shopping center. You just want to buy something. About to find out.
That motherfucker say Westfield shop.
He said of the Oculus. Westfield shops. Oh wow. Oh, what the hell? Hey, I was not expecting this. This goes crazy.
Hey, let's go check it out. Come on.
So you can actually catch the subway right inside.
You know one thing I love about this city?
What?
It's so much stuff that you just like run into or could walk into. Be like, what is that? It'd be like something dope as hell. Like, dope about it.
I ain't lying about that. Almost like LA. Or like that. It's crazy. I want to get down in the bottom. Came in the Apple store. Got finesse. But we needed the battery charger. Yeah, for sure, should I say. Ended up getting a case. Well, a case. And a wallet. Why?
My phone is dying, so I definitely need the battery pack.
True.
He's been needing a new wallet to put on his phone. Like I straight had thought about getting you this when I had got you that what was that? That
Pretty
external.
good.
When I got you that external.
Oh,
Oh, we good.
Yeah, we
good. Yes, thank you. When I got you that external part
Yeah. But that
I thought
motherfucker,
about
but then the
this.
wallet.
The thing is, I never knew that
them
you
on.
could track the bitch. If I
me.
knew that, I would have been got it. That's hard.
Hey, you can charge your shit right here.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna, I was gonna
We
film one
coulda-
of these things and just put that shit on my phone right quick.
Alright, bet. Funny as hell.
Huh?
Did you print out a receipt? That's the reason. You gonna get on the ass throwing some food like that? That's what I got. Nice case. This case smooth as hell.
Oh, look. My shit is not red. It is.
Put the case on. Yeah. You know that red apple, red circle cone.
Yeah, that was hard. Alright, I like the red hair. Yeah, I'm gonna open the battery pack and put it on my phone. Track your wallet.
So when I put my wallet on, I never knew this. I thought the wallet just stuck on there. I didn't know this mother was Apple. Crazy.
That's pretty cool.
Add to find mine. That's crazy.
Eventually, I think I'm gonna get me a wallet too one day because that's just hard. Okay, my phone.
Notify when detached.
Oh, there we go. We're charging. That is dope. I like these.
What time is it? I ain't gonna hold you. Might be time to head our shit. They say we can take the RW. I mean, if you want to be slightly late, so you know what I'm saying, we can come back to this month. Exactly. Exactly. But this is what we left with.
We didn't expect to come in here and come in the Apple store like that.
She had to get the charger.
Yeah, I like it. I feel it.
I had to get the wallet. Exactly. That's why I told her to get the red case.
I like it.
Cool ass pump. Yeah, we finna hop on this subway again, of course. Hold on. This building go crazy. Hold on, let me get this crazy shot. Building go crazy. This shit go crazy. I didn't even know this was here type shit. Hop on this subway and go Go to the next destination. A little bit. So, took the subway, probably like a little 20-minute little ride. Now we walking down the street to the destination. Get a nice little bite, you know, in New York. Nice little teppanyaki. Yeah, I know what that is. Exactly. It's a little cold.
Y'all know us, y'all know our faves. Y'all know.
Yeah, I should know where we going. But it's a little cold. I'm not that cold. Favorite's cold.
I just need like a little long sleeve shirt on and I'll put my hat on. That'll be good.
Yeah, I'm gonna tap back in the shower when we get there. Nice little Benihana dinner. So drink here. Start off with a nice little Benihana punch. Nothing amazing. Now I'm finna order that. I'm getting this. Where it said what I'm getting? I'm getting a steak, shrimp, served. Choo choo. Dude named Romeo. That boy just laid them shrimps out. Oh, he cutting them too. What's he doing there? That boy slicing them there. Slicing them more, Zany.
There we go. Working. There we go. Oh, over that. There we go.
There you go. Good. In the shirt pocket. Dude trying to go crazy.
Hard one, easy. Oh, yeah.
Man, that's all I get. All right, I see you, my boy. It's a big ass slab of rice. You actually kind of scramble the eggs too. You actually scramble the eggs. Appreciate it. Romeo. A heartbeat. Now mix it all together. Steak, shrimp. Still waiting on her chicken. Gotta mix it all together.
I'm not psyched about having to go live.
I'm not, goddamn it. This shit finna go in my belly.
12 seconds later.
That's how my plate look. That's how baby plate look. It's safe to say I went to work on that motherfucker. Just left Benny Hanna. Food was delicious, amazing.
Of course, it's night and it's cold again. Y'all. I have my hat on.
Yeah, Favy's cold. I ain't that cold. Find us a little cut to pop in and, you know, get right quick. Get the dude.
Ooh, it's good though.
Yeah, the food was good. Probably finna take a little trip over to Times Square, see what's cracking over there. Nothing
Maybe
major
pop
though.
into somebody's bar. You never know.
Yeah, that is.
Get a couple drinks too.
Yeah, we just on the stroll right now. I'm gonna cut the camera back on with something interesting going on.
Bye, y'all. I thought it was a squirrel at first, and I looked like, nah, that ain't no fucking squirrel.
There they go. There they go.
Real one.